Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Rocks Me. Thank you for tuning in with me once again, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, and you will be notified every time I upload a video. But thank you once again for tuning in with me. So today we're going to start working on this like 30s, 40s look. You know, the finger waves, the color, the silkiness of everything. And I just want to try to put my little spin on it. I'm loving the finger waves, but I don't think the finger waves is loving me as much. So what I'm going to do is just do my little rendition on this unit, and I'm just going to use my hands, and we're going to play around with her and go from there. Guys, let me know in the comments if you like her, if you like this color, because that's what I'm having a problem with right now is this color, and I want to know your thoughts, okay? So we're just going to start finger waving her and doing my own, I guess, change up with her, because I know it can be done. She kind of reminds you of the mommy wig, so we're just going to play around with her and just, you know, just start messing with her. She's slipping because she don't have any combs. It's a pure stretch wig, and it is synthetic. She doesn't have any combs, so she's going to slide right now because I have my hair wrapped under here. It's not even braided down. But let's just keep playing around with her and try to make her work for my face. Don't worry about my edges showing because, like I said, she's slipping. She has adjustable straps. I don't have it strapped down, so she's going to move around. But I'm just trying to make her fit my face like I want her to. And I have her in a color HT5618, and this is how she looks straight out of the package, as you saw at the beginning of the video. But right now, this is how I made her to fit my face, guys. So tell me what you think, if she's a keeper or what, because I still have some. I think I need to trim her just a little bit, because once you pull those waves out, you have some parts that's sticking up. But I think I need to trim her down just a little bit in certain areas. But I'm liking the way she's fitting my face now. This is more me with the short style. So Vivica, once again, thumbs up. Do a little work with her, but she was worth the work, okay? She fits my face better like this. So tell me what you guys think about the color, the cut, the fit, and everything about this unit. I'll leave a link below. You can get her. You can find her really anywhere, but I'll leave a link below where you can find her. And if you have her, let me know. If you, whatever your thoughts are about her on me, I would gladly appreciate it, okay? So until we meet again, this is Beauty Rocks Me saying, be blessed, spread love, share love, and embrace love. Bye.